Tree Service, Bend, Oregon. Expert, affordable tree service and tree removal in the Bend, Oregon area. Brandon, an expert arborist, sometimes known as a tree surgeon, provides complete tree service and tree removal in the Bend area. Tree services include tree and shrub pruning, large tree and technical tree pruning, hedge pruning, tree removal, general and technical tree removal, stump grinding, tree cabling and bracing, chipping, emergency storm service, tree disease diagnosis and consulting, tree planting, tree transplanting, deep root fertilization, home site planning, insect control, and much more. An arborist is a professional in the practice of arboriculture, the maintenance and management of trees, shrubs, vines, and other perennial woody plants. We can solve a variety of tree-related problems for you. Friendly and reliable tree service and advice. Call Brandon for professional, knowledgeable, and affordable tree service in the Bend area. Call 541-350-0210 for tree service in Bend, Oregon. Email us at info@treeservicebendOregon.com. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.